Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to refer a friend in Talabat. Talabat's Refer a Friend program allows eligible users to invite new customers to join the app using a unique referral code. Here's how it works. Launch a Talabat app on your Android or iPhone, which of course I've done. If you're not already signed in, log in using your registered phone number or email address. And once you're on your home page, go ahead and tap on your account or profile tab, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, this section contains your orders, saved addresses, payment methods, rewards, and referral options. Now, scroll through your account page and tap the refer friend option if you find that here. So you have rewards, you have your orders, Talabat credits, vouchers, referral, where you can't really find the refer friend feature. So you see that you can't find the refer a friend option here. Even if you click on your account settings, you see that you will still not find refer a friend. Now, why exactly is this the case? This is because currently Talabat does not feature again a built-in general public refer a friend program inside the app that rewards users with free credits for inviting others. Their referral programs are usually limited now to specific corporate partnership, such as bank card signups or business-to-business vendor referrals. So because there is no native referral code system for regular customers, again, the best way to save money on your orders is to use active promotional vouchers to take advantage of the Talabat Pro membership by clicking on Talabat Pro and subscribing, or to use partner credit cards that offer Talabat specific cashback. All right, so that's pretty much how it works. So the Talabat referral partnership program, all right, referral program is really not available at the moment. All right, so that's pretty much how it works. So prior to now, when the refer friend was available, or the refer friend option was available, from this page you can just go ahead and click on refer friend, and you see information about the reward your friend can receive, the reward you receive after a successful referral, and the terms and conditions of the promotion. But right now it is not available. So go over to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Also, it might not also be available in your country. It might be available in other countries, but not available in your country yet. All right, so just wait for future promotional campaigns if the feature isn't currently available for you. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.